Hello and welcome to Waikiki Starlight Luau at Hilton Hawaiian Village, Waikiki Beach Resort, featuring live music, beautiful dancers, a dramatic fire and knife dance, and outdoor seating with resort dining.
Oh, you guys are looking great, man. All right. You guys ready to have some fun? You guys ready for some good food?
Yeah.
Oh, well, we're going to get that started. But before we do that, we're going to have a little fun right now, and we need your help. I hope you enjoyed the hula dancing, but right now we're going to give you a chance to do the hula. In fact, I need a lot of people to help me out on this one. Who wants to dance the hula? Raise your hand. Come on, we need more hula. There you go. Into the sea, and all the amma come swimming to me. Oh, we're going to a hooky la. Hooky, hooky, pull, hooky. Yeah. Big ending. Give a delicacy here in the islands. It's called pua'a kalua, or kalua pig. Now, this particular dish was prepared for you in something called an imu. Now, an imu is an underground oven, and we've been using this form of cooking for hundreds of years. It's a big pit we dig in the ground. We light a fire on the bottom of that pit with wood called keave. It's like a Hawaiian mesquite wood. And when that fire gets blazing, we actually lay these porous river rocks in that pit, and those rocks hold the heat for a really long time. Now, when those rocks get white hot, what we do is we wrap our food in banana leaf and tea leaf, and we actually cover it and bury it for about 6 to 10 hours. Depends how big the pig is. But this way of cooking makes the meat very juicy, very tender, and delicious. And ladies, one thing good about this way of cooking, the men do all the work. Oh yeah, so how about a nice hand for the guys over here? And a nice hand for my friend Porky. He's not enjoying it, but that's okay.
The chips are really good. There's a little dip, and it tastes really phenomenal. So, it tastes kind of like French onion. Loving that. And then here's our salad. I'm not sure what this is. I guess I'll let you guys know soon. But everything looks really good. I did not care for this, but I did eat the meat and some of the some of the meat. So this is the main course. Looks really good. So we got chicken, that's the pig, some veggies, rice, and this is some fish. Yeah, looks really good. And then of course some mai tai. I'm about to order a blue Hawaiian though, but yeah, this looks so delicious.
Hina of the ocean. Love is your custom, Hina. Beautiful. Hina. I simply have to say, with every sunrise, I love you. I love you. Until the sunset, I love you. I love you. And every moment thereafter, until the morning dew, I love you. I love you. I love you. Samoa! Tehaki's men of fire. Come on, everybody, make some noise.